everyone, and welcome back to Explore English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Hina.
And I am Sam. Hello, Hina, and hello, everyone.
So today, we're talking about advanced English expressions. If you understand these, your English is excellent.
Whether you are walking to work, exercising at the gym, cooking in your kitchen, or just relaxing at home, put on your headphones and join us today.
And listening is one of the best ways to improve your English naturally. So, let us get started.
Hina, you will not believe what happened yesterday. I was at a coffee shop and this guy said to me, "I'm going to bail on the meeting," and I had no idea what he meant.
Oh no. Did you understand him eventually?
Not at first. I stood there confused. Later, I asked my friend and he explained bail on means to cancel or not show up.
That is such a common phrase. Native speakers use it all the time.
I know, and that is the problem. I studied English for years, but nobody taught me these expressions.
Textbooks do not teach real conversational English.
Exactly. So, today, let us talk about these advanced phrases that show you really understand English.
Yes, these are phrases native speakers use every single day.
So, where should we start?
Let me start with idioms. If you understand idioms, your English level is excellent.
Give me an example.
It is raining cats and dogs.
Wait, I know this one. It means heavy rain, right?
Yes, but did you know it when you first heard it?
No, I literally looked up at the sky expecting to see animals falling.
That is what everyone does.
I felt so stupid.
Do not feel bad. Idioms are difficult because they are not literal.
The words do not mean what they actually say.
Exactly. That is what makes them advanced.
Give me more examples.
Break a leg means good luck.
That sounds violent. Why would you wish someone to break their leg?
I know, but in theater, saying good luck is bad luck, so they say break a leg instead.
That is so weird.
English is full of these weird expressions. Piece of cake means something is very easy.
That test was a piece of cake. So the test was easy?
Perfect! You got it!
Spill the beans means to reveal a secret.
Yes, you know that one!
I learned it from a TV show.
See, TV shows and movies are great for learning idioms.
What about phrasal verbs? Those confuse me so much.
Phrasal verbs are tough. Even advanced learners struggle with them. Give up means to stop trying or surrender.
I will never give up learning English.
Beautiful sentence. Put up with means to tolerate something annoying.
I cannot put up with this noise anymore.
Perfect usage. Run into means to meet someone unexpectedly.
I ran into my old teacher at the mall.
Excellent. You are getting these.
Why are phrasal verbs so confusing?
Because the meaning changes completely when you add a preposition. Look means to see, but look after means to take care of.
Oh, completely different meanings.
Another example, look into means to investigate. Look up to means to admire someone.
One word, so many different meanings.
I know, that is what makes English challenging.
But we will learn them all.
That is the spirit.
What about slang? That is super advanced.
Oh yes, slang shows you really understand modern English. That is sick does not mean ill or diseased.
Then what does it mean?
It means amazing or awesome.
Sick means awesome? That makes no sense.
Slang rarely makes sense. That is the point. Low-key means slightly or secretly.
I am low-key excited about this trip.
Yes, you are excited, but not showing it too much.
So it is like downplaying your feelings?
Exactly right. High-key is the opposite. It means very much or obviously.
I am high-key tired right now.
Perfect! You sound like a native speaker.
Really? I sound natural?
Yes, using slang makes you sound fluent.
What about ghost as a verb? I heard someone say he ghosted me.
Ghost means to suddenly stop all communication with someone.
Like disappearing like a ghost?
Exactly. No calls, no texts, no replies.
Oh, I have been ghosted before. It is so rude.
It is, but now you know the word for it.
At least I learned some vocabulary from a bad experience.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Wait, every cloud has a silver lining is an idiom too.
Yes! It means something good comes from something bad.
See, I am learning.
You really are.
Could we talk about expressions with get? Those are everywhere.
Oh, yes! Get is used in so many ways. Get it means to understand.
Do you get what I mean?
Perfect. Get over it means to move on from something.
He broke up with me, but I got over it.
Excellent sentence. Get away with means to do something wrong without punishment.
You cannot get away with cheating on the test.
Yes, perfect usage.
What about catch? I hear catch you later and catch some sleep.
Catch is another versatile word. Catch you later means see you later.
And catch some sleep means to sleep for a bit?
Exactly. Quick rest. And catch up means to reach the same level or to meet and talk.
Wait, two different meanings?
Yes, I need to catch up on my work means complete pending work. But let us catch up over coffee means let us meet and talk.
One phrase, two meanings. Context is everything.
Absolutely. Context tells you which meaning.
This is so interesting.
Language is fascinating.
What about expressions that use body parts? Like, give me a hand.
Oh, yes, body part idioms. Give me a hand means help me, not literally give your hand.
I remember being confused by that as a beginner.
Another one. Keep an eye on means to watch carefully.
Keep an eye on my bag while I go to the bathroom.
Perfect. Continuing. Cost an arm and a leg means very expensive.
This phone cost an arm and a leg.
Excellent! You are on fire today.
I am learning so much.
You really are.
What about abbreviations like ASAP or FYI?
Yes, these are super common in emails and texts. ASAP means as soon as possible.
Please reply ASAP.
Yes, urgent request. FYI means for your information.
FYI, the meeting is at 3 p.m.
Perfect. BTW means by the way.
BTW, I saw your friend yesterday.
Excellent. You sound so natural.
What about TBH? I see that on social media.
TBH means to be honest.
TBH, I did not like that movie.
Yes, perfect usage.
Social media teaches us so much slang.
It does. Modern English comes from the internet.
Can we talk about expressions that sound negative but are positive?
Oh, like what?
Not bad actually means good.
Yes, British people use this a lot.
How was the food? Not bad means the food was good.
Exactly. It is modest praise. I cannot complain also means things are going well.
So you were saying things are fine in a modest way.
Yes, not bragging, but positive.
English has so many layers.
It really does.
What about sarcasm? That is super advanced.
Oh, sarcasm, the most difficult thing to understand. If someone says, great job, but in a flat tone, they mean the opposite.
So tone changes the meaning completely.
Yes, sarcasm is all about tone and context.
Oh, wonderful. Said sarcastically means something went wrong.
Exactly. You understand sarcasm.
That means my English is really improving.
It absolutely is.
What about cultural references? Like, that is so Shakespearean.
Cultural references show deep English knowledge. Catch-22 comes from a famous book. It means a no-win situation.
So, you need to know literature to understand?
Sometimes reading books and watching movies helps. Big Brother is watching comes from the book 1984. It means surveillance.
Literature becomes part of everyday language.
Exactly. Culture and language mix together.
What about business English? That is different too.
Business English has its own expressions. Touch base means to contact someone.
Let us touch base next week.
Perfect. Very professional. Circle back means to return to a topic later.
Let me circle back on that.
You sound like a business professional.
I am learning corporate speak.
Every field has its own language.
What about euphemisms? Words that soften bad news.